Red Bull Goldhorn. So today I'm gonna show you how do I make these things. Let me show you. Let me go to my, I guess, latest video. Yeah, cool. No, not actually. Where is it? This one. Okay, how do I add my, goddamn shit right there? Logo. Right there. Right beneath the goal. Okay, I'll show you how to do a tutorial to do it. So, yeah. You can tell because, fuck yes, I'll stop saying swear words. First, you make your logo. Yeah, I kind of do make my logos because I don't care. That's a good reason. But actually, how do I make my logos? So, where's goddamn, here it is. So first you get the, let me zoom in a little bit. Like about right here. But how do I do this? First you do this. I know I'm using goddamn IB shit. I was trying. Fuck. How would I say this? Shit. Oh shit. Okay, so first I get these goddamn shit. I'll stop pressing black because I'm not racist, guys. But yeah. And what's that, man? Damn, you erase it. Now, no, not this. You put your name, or you just put it, whatever. And like I use RB. Don't ask why it's called damn shit. No, but it's red. Not blue, okay? I can't like blue, so yeah. But yeah, for example, I can't like blue, so. So, an example, like make it a bit bigger and yeah. How do I like? Okay, first you press this. We go to KineMaster. Yeah, my latest video. Also I might do a tutorial how did I make this, so yeah. Forgot to do my Atlantis goddamn berserker. But okay. Let me do a recent video. I didn't really did my logo or whatever. Yeah. Right here in pictures. Ah shit. Put it right here and also, how do I make it flicker? And just press this, and yeah. But I'm actually not gonna add it, so yeah. So that's my tutorial. I know that was fucking 3 minutes long. I know, I'm not dumbass, but yeah. Goodbye.